Hello guys. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 shortcuts that will change your life. Zen Mode. Zen Mode is useful if you want to be focused while coding. To enter Zen Mode, click Ctrl K and Z. To exit, use the same shortcut, or press Escape twice. Zoom. To zoom in, use Ctrl and plus. And use Ctrl and minus to zoom out. Find. If you want to find a word in your script, you can click Ctrl and F, and then type the word you are looking for. It will find the word for you. Multiple tabs. When you're working on a big project, you might have a lot of files to work on. But if you need to have them on the screen at the same time, you can use this shortcut. Click Ctrl and 2 for second screen and Ctrl and 3 for third screen. Now, drag and drop your tabs in the second and the third screens. Search shortcuts. To explore more shortcuts yourself, you can go to Keyboard Shortcuts tab by clicking Ctrl and K, followed by Ctrl and S. Thanks for watching. You'll see me in the next video. Bye.